What's up, guys? Friday Junior, aka Thursday. We're heading to the shop. It is 5:48 in the morning. We got a busy one again. We got a bunch of cart wraps to print. We have an install for Belmont Archery on their truck. We have our new intern Kate in the house for the final day this week. We have Marissa, our summer help here. Seth's loaded with screen printing. Audra's buried in creating quotes. Earl's got a ton of embroidery. So we got a lot to do. We're just going to go in there and get after it. So hopefully you enjoy this inside look at a day at Carpy's. Now, let's go to the video. Fuel up with some Monster. So let's get loaded. Two for $5 deal. Alright, first things first, we're going to be printing some film separations on this Epson printer. So every color that is printed on your silkscreen shirt is a separate film. Each color gets burnt onto a screen. So we'll get these set up so Seth can get started on the next job. My man Seth has been absolutely killing it. He was here at 5:30 this morning getting a start on this thing. He even beat me into the shop. So I'm going to give him a hand, stack these shirts up so he can get started printing the backs. Screen printing has been hella busy lately, so I'm going to give Seth a hand printing these screens for Hoagland Speedway. These shirts are for a memorial for Gary. He sadly passed away a few weeks ago, so pretty cool that we're able to do these and honor Gary. He had been a customer with us since 2019, so this is actually a reprint of a job that we had done for them when their track first opened. Hate to see Gary go, but I'm glad we were able to honor him with these t-shirts. So we're going to make some quick work of burning these screens, get these things burnt, sprayed out, and off to Seth so we can set them up for print. Because frankly, we have a lot of other shit to do, and it's going to be a hell of a day, so we don't want to get tied up in some small jobs early. We need to keep everything moving. So now for one of our favorite and most annoying jobs at the shop, the pressure washer. The screens are burnt. Now it's time to spray out these screens and get them dried so we can get them to Seth so we can get started on the print. Now, one last final stack up for the animal science t-shirts and hoodies. We're going to get these all stacked back up so we can take them over to Seth because we can get them prepped while he switches over screens. Next on the agenda, we need to get embroidery prepped before Earl gets here, so everything's locked and loaded when he does. Alright, we're on our way to go pick up Mo and pick up the Bolzan truck. We're going to do the install on that this morning. So we're going to drop my truck off, pick up the Bolzan truck, finish the Bolzan truck, come back, pick up my truck, and get back to work in the shop. Morning, fool. The world as we know it. It's the end. That one goes out to you. So Mo's getting the graphics set up for the Belmont Archery truck. There is rain expected in about the next 30 minutes, so we're going to have to really put a move on, get these graphics on and beat the rain. That way we don't have to take this thing down to the garage and re-clean it. We just get ready to start installing it again. So we're going to try to knock this thing out real quick, see if we can get it done. I guess you have it up? Yeah. Alright, I'll just throw it on real quick. We get it stuck on. Trim it real fast. Can you grab my squeegee over there?
Can you heat the other side and just go over it real good, make sure everything's on in case it rains hard? I beat the rain for the most part. Good morning. Well, we beat the rain. Now we just got to add one little final touch to this truck. A little marketing of the territory, if you will. A little something subtle and something that will turn on the ladies. Little QR code to carpys.com. All right, Bolzan truck is finished up, and then we're going to go back and drop this thing off. Go back to the shop, save some files for Mo. He has a couple go-kart wraps, a lot of RC wraps, a couple signs. Mo, everything that I'm giving you today should clear your day tomorrow to just do the Harvey car, other than RC. Hey Marissa, can you save me in Dropbox order 12934?
12934?
Yep.
12934. Yes.
Yeah, and then just make sure you have the order number and the file name.
Okay.
Yep.
Yes.
Cool.
All right, one last round of screens to be burnt. We'll get these all burnt up, get them over to Seth, and that should be the last of the screens that need burnt for the day to get everything that he needs to do done. So Earl had a problem with our heat press. He was trying to fix it and ended up snapping one of the bolts, getting it stuck in there. So he asked Terry next door if he had any expertise to help us get this thing out.
We have the same thing with the sealed burners. You know, the screws always seize up on it. And that's what I've been doing lately, is just put the heat to it, about 20 seconds, and they come right out.
How's
just
it going?
doing a small alternate whatever you want to
Moving
call
it around?
Yeah, just trying to spread it out, you know, utilize the space I have.
Yeah. Good luck out there, kid.
I'm gonna go put this on the same picture that you guys are taking. I'll put one later. I'll put it on my little group page.
Yeah.
It's already up and running. I'm the only one talking to myself on it.
Oh, really?
I'm not in a hurry about that. That's
Yeah.
due time.
It takes time, yeah.
Hell yeah. Thank you guys.
Awesome. No problem. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Look sharp.
You too.
Hoagland Speedway shirts are done. I'm going to help Seth stack these things up so we can get them boxed for shipping, get them off to the racetrack for the memorial race on June 7th. Meanwhile, in the back, Mo is helping our friend Ashley, who's reopening Broken Wing as The Wing Bar and Grill, getting the signs ready so we can install them on Monday. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you like and follow all the Carpy's pages across all social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll be doing more of these. Stay tuned. And again, thanks for watching.